What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. I wanted to talk to you about something that I'm very passionate about, and that's American Express. And some of you that are OG subscribers on my channel know that American Express screwed me over when I got my first annual fee card from them. Now, a big reason why I still like them is because they offer a lot of normal spending categories that I really agree with. And also, they just have a lot of rewards, really. So I love what they're doing at American Express at this moment, and hopefully they continue to do what they're doing. Maybe they improve a couple of things, adding on a supermarket credit, something like that. That would be absolutely phenomenal, but we'll have to take some time and see what they can come up with. But I wanted to talk about American Express, 3 specific cards: the Platinum, the Gold, and the Green card. The most popular cards that are there because people love to talk about these cards. I love to talk about them because they have a lot of benefits to them, and people like to talk about them because they want to discuss which card to get. So in this video, I wanted to talk to you about exactly what card you should get. But before I start, make sure you hit that like button. Also hit the subscribe button for more videos just like this one. And make sure that you get your 2 free stocks with Webull down below. You don't want to miss out on that opportunity. Now, American Express is definitely one tough cookie to crack because a lot of people don't really want to justify spending an annual fee on anything, on a credit card, on a loan, on whatever they have to spend an annual fee on. Even on Amazon, people struggle with paying that annual fee that they have. They do it monthly, or they find a way to get past it, maybe have it waived or something, or end up paying the student price or whatever the heck you have to do. But this is not about Amazon. So when it comes to American Express, people like the introductory cards that they can get. The Blue Cash Everyday card. They really like that card, and you can go a long way with that card. You can even go with the Wells Fargo Propel card. Even though that's Wells Fargo, it's still through Amex, and I understand they don't build Amex points, but people still consider it as an Amex card because you still have to go through Amex and basically go through all the complications of using that in different places. But people think of a lower tier card, even though they have the Gold card, the Platinum card, all of those cards in the back of their mind. So what card is best for you? Well, let's go ahead and break down the situations or the people, the type of spending you would have for each card, and then you can really break down what would be the best card for you. I don't know who you are, but whether I go through the Platinum card, the Gold card, or the Green card, you'll be able to see which one will fit your exact spending. So let's start with the Green card. Now, the Green card is a phenomenal card after they revamped it. Now, I did talk about how I was going to cancel it quite some time ago. Not actually quite some time ago. It might have been like a month or so ago, talking about canceling it because of the fact that I was not getting value during the pandemic. But if there was no pandemic, let's say everything is back to normal, or we have a new normal where people still travel, this card would be really good. You do get a lot of benefits on the card, whether it's 3 times on travel, which is a very broad definition of travel, which is phenomenal. A broad definition of travel gives you so much more than you would ever imagine. Now, it also gives you 3 times on restaurants, which is also a good deal because there are a number of cards that don't give you that. And then at Amex redemption value, it's usually 1 cent per point. If you transfer it to partnering airlines, you can get about 2 cents per point. So you're getting a lot back, but then if you spend it through, let's say, Amazon, you would probably end up getting 0.8 cents per point. So it wouldn't even be a full cent. Anyways, it still has a lot of value to the card, and it also gives you 2 credits, which you would get the Clear credit, and then you would also get the Lounge Buddy credit. And then at the moment, they're offering the Uber Pass, the Uber Eats Pass that you would have to worry about right now, which would give you a lot of value in itself. But we're looking at the whole card, looking at the Green card, it gives you a lot of value, a lot of travel value, but not at the travel value that you would expect at like a Platinum card or a Chase Sapphire Reserve. It's more of like a Chase Sapphire Preferred card, kind of like that, but with a little bit more, I would say. And I understand the Chase Sapphire Preferred gives you a lot travel-wise, but I would definitely partner it up or keep it in the same category as around the Chase Sapphire Preferred or the Reserve, depending on how much your spending is. You can get a lot from that card. Next would be the Gold card. Now, the Gold card I consider for everyone. Now, this is the foodie card. This is the card for people that love food, that love normal spending categories here, because you look at the Gold card, you're getting 4 times on dining, 4 times on supermarkets. These are 2 food categories. Now, dining would be eating in, eating out. If you wanted to go to a fast food restaurant, you're going to a fast food restaurant. If you wanted to have food delivered to you, you're getting food delivered to you. If you want to go out to a restaurant and eat at a restaurant, you're getting 4 times there. Also at supermarkets, to where you're buying supermarket purchases every single day or every single month. Also, you have 2 credits, which is going to change up things. Things are going to change, but you have an airline credit for the time being. You also have a dining credit, which will give you a lot back. And then what's going to happen is in 2022, you're going to see a change to where that airline credit becomes some sort of another dining credit or an Uber credit that you're going to get, where you can have that Uber Eats or use it on Uber rides. You can have it like that. And that's going to be a benefit to you because it's another food benefit. But it's not anything that I would think is super valuable. I don't think it's better than the airline credit. I just think it's kind of similar. It makes it really difficult for you to use, and you just still have to remember to use the $10 per month. But still, you're getting a lot in here. You're getting the credits, you're getting the cashback rewards. I don't really like to talk about the 3 times on travel booked through Amex Travel because it's not really a broad definition of travel, but you do get that benefit. And then you also get 1 times on everything else. And it's a great card. I definitely consider it for everybody. You do have to take some time and worry about all these cards. I'll get into the annual fees at the end of these cards when I break down all of them. But then you still have to worry about factoring in whatever that annual fee actually is for those cards after you apply for it. And the next one is the Platinum card, which will give you a number of benefits. Now, you could also go up into the Black card, but that's probably out of a lot of people's range. They don't want to spend that much, especially annual fee wise. But the Platinum card gives you a lot. Premium benefits, premium travel benefits. That's what you want if you are a person that loves traveling and loves getting the best of the best when traveling. So you're going to go out and you're going to get the Centurion lounges. You're going to go out and get upgrades at different hotels. You're going to go out and get the best service that you could possibly get. It's just giving you a lot. Now, this card will offer you 5 times on hotel stays, 5 times on travel booked through Amex Travel, flight booked through Amex Travel, things like that. You're going to get a lot of travel perks, travel benefits with this card. But the good thing is you also get perks. Now, it does have an airline credit to where you would get $200 of an airline credit. You would also get $200 Uber credit, and you would also get $100 Saks Fifth Avenue credit. So you're getting a lot in return for the annual fee that you're paying. Now, these cards also offer extra benefits that are because of the pandemic. If you were worried about that, now I can give you that detail if you want in a different video. I haven't ever updated anybody on a lot of the different benefits that they do offer on these cards. I don't really like to go into small details there. So if you do want a larger detail of benefits that were added, let me know. But these are the baseline benefits right now that you have to worry about and what the cards are for. So if I had to line up the cards annual fee wise, you're looking at the Platinum card at $550, you're looking at the Gold card at $250, and then you're looking at the Green card at $150. So you have a number of ranges there, but they all have an annual fee. This is where it's like, I don't want to pay an annual fee. Why did I even listen to this video if I have to pay an annual fee for these cards? Well, they give you a lot of benefits right from the start. One, you're going to have these bonuses that they give you, which are varying bonuses as long as you sign in on incognito mode. You find a way to sign up if you haven't had the card before. You're getting a max benefit so that you can try out the card and see if it gives you more of a benefit than any non-annual fee card or no annual fee card that you can get. So that's what I say that you should do, is worry about what card will fit you the best, understand what bonuses you can get, and try and apply that to the card itself. After your 3 months of spending, you can apply that to the card itself and then say, all right, well, I'm going to take these points and apply it to something else that I want to apply it to, because that's money you wouldn't have had if you didn't get the card. And it's probably going to be more of a profit in the end. Say if you have the Green card and you get 45,000 points, whatever you do get, then you're basically going to value that at $450, $400 to $450. And then also on the high end, if you're transferring it to airline partners, it could be somewhere around $800 to $900 worth of value. So it's going to be a lot of money in your pocket, a lot of profit. So that's what I say when it comes to the annual fees. Now, what card is for you? I mean, you have two travel cards. You have one that's more of a food-based card, one that's more of a, hey, if you go out to eat, you can get money, or if you stay in, you can still get money from rewards. So you have that gold card in the middle that's more of an everyday, every person, every type of person spend. And then you have the two travel cards where it's on the high end. I want every single benefit, all the bells and whistles. I want to be able to have privacy. I want to be able to have luxury. That's what it's all about up there. And then you have this one down here. That's where I'm all about performance. I'm all about getting my rewards. I'm all about getting the max amount of benefits I can out of these travel cards. That's what the green card is for. So whatever card is actually for you in that Amex ladder, I guess, go for it. I would say go for it, and just make sure you know what you're spending money on. And when you want to reach that bonus, you do it with normal spending categories, with paying your bills off, things like that, so that you don't have to worry about you're paying off an Xbox or a PlayStation or whatever. That's frivolous spending, and that does not get you any type of profit. That just means that you're spending money to reach that bonus, which means that you're spending money that you wouldn't normally spend. So definitely take all this advice in this video, and hopefully it does help you make a decision if you are looking to pull the trigger on one of these cards. I love the gold card, and if you could find a way to gain the most value out of it, which it's not difficult with the gold card, definitely go with it. But I have links down below if you want to use those links, or you can go in incognito mode on your browser and get a really nice bonus as well. But if you want to support the channel, you can use the links and you'll be able to get a larger bonus than what you would normally get. Yeah, you can go from there. So yeah, let me know what you think about the different cards. If you are interested in any of these cards, if you feel like you want to pull the trigger, but you don't want to pull the trigger at the same time, let me know. I really want to hear your comments, but make sure you hit that like button, also hit the subscribe button, and make sure you get your 2 free stocks with Webull down below in the description. And you can check out any of my links down there. I have all my credit card links, store link. You can check that out. But that's my video. I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.